Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to be making a sweet, simple card that I like to call Birds of a Feather. It's got these beautiful feathers on this Bird Ballad Designer Series paper. So I'm using that as the layer on my card front that is in petal pink. And so I'm just cut that 4 by 5 1/4, and this one is 1 1/4 by 4, and that's the reverse side of that feather paper. And so I'm just going across about an inch up from the bottom. I have a pool party piece cut 1 inch by 4 inches that's going to go over top of that designer paper strip, and then a 1/2 inch strip by 4, and I'll trim it down, but I'm putting the word thank you in basic black, memento black that is, and then I'm using this little floral image in petal pink to just embellish that sentiment a bit. So I'm going to take my paper snips and trim it off close to the stamped image, and that's what determines how long it is. So if your sentiment is longer, you can definitely have a longer strip. It can be as long as 4 inches. Now I'm adding some scallop lace to the bottom with some snail adhesive and trimming that off. I'm going to add some more snail to secure that lace, and then I'll put that across that pool party strip, and we're going to have a sweet card that just took a few minutes to put together. Try this design with designer papers that you like and use some embellishments. Here I'm using a few pearls, but you get the message across, and it's just a really pretty design and easy to do. I'm finishing off the inside with Whisper White with 2 of those blossoms stamped in there, and there we go. Thank you so much for joining me. Visit my website at InkandInspirations.com. You'll be able to click on the Shop Now button to buy what you need to make this card. Thanks!